Hey guys, so I have something really exciting today. This mysterious gray, nondescript package was in my mailbox, and I've been looking forward to this. So, this is packaged really well. It was wrapped in tape, so I did cut some of it, but it looks like it wasn't enough. So, wow. Can you guys guess what it is? Ta-da! It's a Kalimba. It's gonna be my very first Kalimba. I am so excited. I've been looking at the tracking info and everything for this since I ordered it. It was shipped from Hong Kong or somewhere, and shipping actually, believe it or not, shipping took shorter than something else that I ordered that was coming from the US. So, alright, so this has got some sort of deer head like design on it. The sound holes in here. I think the finish is real wood. I don't think this is a layer of veneer or anything. I think this is real wood. So that's pretty nice. The 2 holes on the back. Yeah, I don't know that the holes on the back do much necessarily, but I mean, I guess it makes it warble. But anyway, let's see. See, I got this particular model because the letters are engraved on the case, and I just thought that was so cool. And it's supposed to come pre-tuned. Although it has been outside in the mailbox in the cold for a day. Sorry, excuse my nails. I didn't really have time to do them. Okay, yeah, so some of these need, okay. Oh, apparently I can just push them. Okay. I think that should be it, right? No? More or less. I'll have to tune this up, when I have the chance. But, yeah. Sorry, I'm just holding this backwards from you guys, but more or less. I think I may have to fine-tune it a little bit, but yeah, overall, just out of the box, the notes actually sound quite good. I'll obviously have to learn how to play it and everything, but yeah, I was so excited I thought I'd show you guys. I'll leave a link to the eBay seller I bought it from, because it was the cheapest I could find it actually. They were well, for the wood, there were a couple of sellers who were like $1 cheaper for the ones that are like painted blue or black or pink, and I was like, no, just no. So this one, I do believe is just it's a very thin piece of wood, but I do believe the finish is actually the real wood grain. So, so that's nice. Like you can see that it's real wood in there. So yeah. I mean, it's kind of no frills, but I really like the notes being on the keys. Just a little touch, no dealing with stickers and whatnot. And it does come pre-tuned, more or less. That one probably got moved in shipping, but yeah. So, awesome. All right. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I just had to show you. Have a good day, and happy holidays if you don't hear from me before then.